All right, we're talking about space drones that are around about 12 inches in volume, which would fly based on a small aerosol can or a small miniaturized version of a large 12, 10 by 20 size. So it would be just a miniature version of that. And it would have the tank, but it would just be aerosols in there, not um, heavy. Well, it would be heavy aerosols, but it wouldn't be a large amount of heavy aerosols. And it would fly based off of that, taking the aerosol and heating it up into a gas. And a miniaturized version, pretty simple stuff. Same operations in any simulations from various games and things like that. Same thing, just in a miniature version. The properties would be based off of this right here. That's the that would be the computer that runs it. Unless you have a transceiver, then it would be a transceiver. You still need a parabolic antenna. It'll be pretty simple. You just fly the transceiver connection. You have an application window which you'll make, and since it's only around about 12 feet inches, you would have a small, say, Raspberry Pi, maybe something like that. It connects directly to your computer, and your computer does all the calculations, and it makes the Raspberry Pi do all the work on that. And it would just carry out the task, and you do all the computations wherever you're doing that at. It's a good way to start. It'll cost $150 from us, and that's about it. Thanks. Bye.